Guarda Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to this expert review of Guarda Wallet, the versatile, non-custodial crypto wallet designed for anyone seeking a secure, user-friendly, and feature-packed solution to manage digital assets. Guarda supports over 400,000 assets, including popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, making it an ideal choice for crypto enthusiasts, investors, and traders alike. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, Guarda is tailored to meet your needs with its multi-platform support, available on mobile, desktop, web, and even as a Chrome extension. A standout feature of Guarda Wallet is its emphasis on security. It's non-custodial, meaning you retain full control of your private keys and funds, eliminating the risk of third-party breaches. Backup encryption and password protection further enhance the safety of your assets. The wallet also integrates seamlessly with hardware wallets like Ledger, offering an additional layer of security for large holdings. Guarda is not just about holding crypto. It's a complete ecosystem. It includes an integrated exchange for instant asset swapping, support for staking major coins like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Tezos to earn passive income, and fiat on-ramp capabilities to buy crypto directly with credit cards. Additionally, Guarda enables advanced users to manage tokenized assets, interact with DeFi protocols, and even issue custom tokens. The interface is clean, intuitive, and well-designed, ensuring a smooth user experience without unnecessary complexity. This makes Guarda suitable for newcomers, while features like multi-signature wallets and cross-chain compatibility appeal to advanced users. A strong focus on customer support is another highlight, with 24/7 assistance available to help resolve issues promptly. However, it's worth noting that Guarda's non-custodial nature means your security is entirely in your hands. Losing your recovery phrase or private keys means losing access to your funds. Therefore, always ensure you securely store your backup phrase offline. In summary, Guarda Wallet delivers a comprehensive crypto management solution that balances security, convenience, and versatility. It's perfect for users looking to store, trade, and grow their crypto assets in a secure and seamless environment. If you value control over your funds and seek an all-in-one wallet, Guarda is a top contender worth considering.